Come test drive the 2019 Infiniti QX50. The Infiniti QX50 is the perfect blend of luxury and power. You will be impressed with the QX50's agile sports sedan-like handling. It also comes with a very responsive steering and strong brakes. The QX50 offers extremely high levels of safety and luxury, all with a sleek new design. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, navigation system, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.